Welcome to Format Works PowerPoint tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll try to teach you how to break a presentation with multiple slides into various presentations having desired number of slides. So let me give you an example what I really want to do. So for example, if you can see in my screen that I have a presentation with 15 slides. So if I desire to have each slide in different presentation file, so there is one possible solution that I will do it manually. I'll try to replicate this presentation file and delete all the presentation slides, and it will take some time, but there is an easy alternative. So for this, what you can do is you can go to formatworks official website and just go to the link in the description box for this video. It will be much easier. I'll provide the link in the description box. So what we'll do is you will go in this particular blog post wherein there is a exploration on how you can do it using VBA, Visual Basic. And you can just copy this code first, then open your presentation file where you want to create it, and where you just have to enable this developer tab. So to enable this developer tab, what you can do is go to the account section, option section, and then go to the customize ribbon, and then just select the developer tab from here. Okay, just hit me up in the comment section if this developer tab is not there in your options. Okay, so once you have this developer tab enabled, now what you can do is you can just click the Visual Basic portion over here, and then just right click your mouse and then start for the new module. The code that you have copied from this formatworks website. So what you can do is you can simply paste it over here. There's nothing more to do, just simple copy paste. Then what you can do, control S for saving this. It will ask whether you want to make it a macro enabled file or not. So you can just do it yes. Then what you can do, you can just simply run this code, and if I want one slide, then I can mention one, then it will create 15 presentation files with one single slide. And if I want two slides, so I can write the number of slides that I want. So I'm considering it as one, so I'll click OK. Then I'll just simply leave it, and the code will run by itself and try creating 15 files with each slides different slides. So let's just wait for some time. Okay, I guess it's done now. You can just close this. So this will be the main file. I'll just refresh this. Okay, now you can see this is the main file, and after that there are total 15 slides created. So if I close open one, so this is the first slide, this is the second slide. Okay, so this was the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for this particular code, and enjoy and keep on watching. Subscribers, bye.